Building mBot. In this video, we will learn which part mBot consists of, how to assemble it, and as well as that we will also test mBot's built-in programs. That's how a fully assembled mBot looks like. mBot came in a box as 40 different pieces with a user guide. It took me just a little more than 20 minutes to assemble it, because I wanted to be sure I was putting the right screws in the right place. Connecting the wires was very easy. Let's take a closer look at mBot together to see what these details do. If you have dealt with robots before, then it's a good chance to compare mBot with your other robots. And if it's your first time, that it will be fun to discover what parts does a robot consist of. You don't have to learn their names. The most important is that you know where the power switch is. mBot has two powered wheels that can be controlled separately and a support wheel. Under the robot there is a line follower with two light sensors using which it can follow a line. At the front there is a distance sensor, which is used to see obstacles and measure distances from 3 cm to 4 meters. mBot is powered by 4 AA batteries. A wire comes out of the battery holder and connects to the robot's brain, that is motherboard. Both sensors and motors are connected to the motherboard using wires and ports. Through the cover of the board you can see the Bluetooth module's lamp. Let's take a look at the motherboard without its cover. At the front there is an IR sender and receiver for the remote control. At the front there is also two LEDs we can program to change colors. In the middle there is a light sensor that measures room light levels. Front left there is a small control button, and the right there is an USB port for uploading programs from a computer. And now we got to the power button. It is located at the left of the back side. Let's turn on the robot. Welcome mBot. If mBot's lights are white, it means it's in remote control mode. I'll push the arrow key for a moment. It works. If I press the button next to the mBot's left eye, the LEDs turn blue and mBot is in line following mode. Let's take the line following track from the box and put mBot on the line. There it goes. If I press the button again, the lamps turn green, which means the robot is in obstacle avoiding mode. I place the robot on the floor and use my own hand as an obstacle. The robot sees quite well and understands too. Cool. I'll place a Lego minifigure on the robot so it would have a driver. Now it's your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Place the batteries inside the battery holder and the remote control. Assemble the robot and power it on and off for a little bit. How long did it take you to build the robot? More or less than 20 minutes. Press the button on mBot and experiment with the line following and obstacle evasion modes.